We are live with breaking news tonight as global crises escalate.
An emergency summit has just been called as markets plummet worldwide.
Even today, the world feels like an exile. We are prisoners of our own shadows. War, hatred, and the cold winters of materialism.
And these thorns, they are the heralds of the lost. On this day, the first day of Ridván, on 21st April in 1863, the blessed beauty lived in the garden of Ridván. To the world he was a prisoner in exile. But in truth, that very day he learned the Crimson Ark of human unity.
These 12 days of Ridván, it's a divine springtime that brought a turning point for the entire universe. Stability, the kingdom of God on this earth.
In the history of the faith, read about the price of losses in just one dollar and how the Nightingale sang throughout the night.
Howla said, consider these nightingales, so great is their love for these roses, that they sleepless from dusk to dawn. They warble their melody and commune with the object of their adoration. How then can those who claim to be enthralled by the rose-like beauty of the beloved be found asleep? Hearing this, I don't want to be counted among those who are sleeping.
The first day of Ridván, the Arvaan declared that the era of religious war was over, that the day star of truth has risen to unify every heart.
Baha'u'llah turned the most sorrowful time to the day of supreme felicity.
The King of Festivals is here.
The garden of unification
That is open for all mankind.
Please come and join us.